Hi guys! Hi guys! Today I'll be unboxing some Korean products that I got from Coreelle. They are a beauty company that sells many different Korean products. So first, what I see in the box is this little bunny ears. I always wanted to get these headbands to hold back my hair while I do my makeup or even wash my face, but I never saw the need to. I'm happy that I got one. Some ASMR. Oh, it's so cute. It's so fluffy and soft. Okay, I'm gonna put it on. Ooh, the ears you can like bend however way you want it. There's this wire inside. Ooh, boing. It's so soft. I love it. I feel like this would look really cute on Callie. Let's put it on her later. Next in the box is this gel cream mixer. I don't really know what a gel cream mixer is. It says apply, oh, it's an aqua moisturizer. So it says apply evenly over face and neck until fully absorbed. Mix and customize with your favorite potions for optimal results. So I think it's just a moisturizer. If any of you know, please let me know how to use this. And then we have a perfumed hair and body mist from Sky bottle. I really like this color of orange against the white background. Let me open it. When my long nails come in handy. Oh, another packaging on it. It's what you expect. It's vanilla sky. So it just smells like vanilla and a little bit of sky. It's a very light smell. It's not overpowering, which is nice. Oh, I thought there was a bug on my window. Next up, we have these curly essential balms from Mellow Touch. I don't know how to use this. Do I need to have curly hair, or do I need to curl my hair and then use it, or use it before I curl my hair? If you know, please let me know, or I'll just look this up later. They gave me a couple. They gave me 5 of these. Ah! Yes, here they are, my little babies. They gave me this Rice Bran toner, which is good because I am running out of my other toner that I'm using, and this Rice Bran sheet mask. So they gave me a little info book for these 2 products. This brand is from House of Dawa. I hope I'm saying that right. It tells you a little bit about the products and how to use it, which I really appreciate them adding this in here, because half the time I don't know if I'm using a product correctly. I got more masks. Ooh, I love the clear packaging. So here is a ingredients mask. It's hydrating mask. I love this clear packaging. I love how you can see like the bubbles and liquid inside. It's just really cool. Whoever did this packaging, I applaud you. It's just so cool. So mesmerizing to look at. But the yellow one is a relief mask pack. Oh, bless you. This nourishes the skin with natural ingredients. I can't read the ingredients because, oh, I can read the ingredients. Okay, the only thing about this packaging is they put white text on this clear packaging and it's very hard to read. I would have to point it up at the sun so I could read the ingredients clearly. There's too many ingredients to read. Anyways, this one is a clarifying mask and it provides intensive solution by removing dead skin cells. So I have these potions and there's 6 different kinds. Oh wow. I'm not gonna read them all, but they have different purposes. Like there's a tea tree oil one and there's a vitamin B12. These are samples. It comes with an info booklet. The packaging and the vibe kind of reminds me of The Ordinary. They have a lot of different products here. There are ones for calming and soothing care, moisturizing and hydration care, and vibrant skin and elasticity care. This brand is called The Potions. Cool. I think they messed up on the packaging here because the words are double printed. I always wanted to design packaging and these are just some things I noticed. Okay, next up, we have some more samples. Here's the same brand that did the Rice brand toner. This is a powder wash sample. And then I have some shampoo and treatment from Kundal and a retinol treatment sample size, vitamin A. I've never used retinol before. I've always been scared to because I've heard a lot of bad stories about it. I'm sure if you find the right one and you use it in moderation, you won't have a reaction, but I've just been scared to use it because my skin is sensitive. And then lastly, they gave me candy. It's a lemonade flavored candy. It looks really sour. Look at the guy's face. Actually, I'm gonna try it. Okay, it gets way more sour at the end. Decent candy. I'm gonna put this candy towards my cheek so I can finish this video. So that is everything. Coreelle is pretty cool. They give you so many things. My favorite one is this. I genuinely just like this brand from first impression. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. 하필이면 꿈이지도